This 2026 Keystone Hideout Mini 195 RBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Schoolcraft, Michigan, 49087 and is offered for sale by CampNorth RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 3, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features Murphy bed, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.